It's warning for all Polygon holder, my brothers. Try to understand what I taught you in this time. It's completely fails down Polygon, and absolutely this video is going to be very important for all Polygon holders, especially for new holders, to understand to what's going on in the future. Can the price will be going upward, or they fails down more, especially after a very bad fall, my friend. All crypto market is dumps very badly, my brother, especially from last death. So therefore Polygon is also very badly falls down. But the current condition, you can see Polygon, especially last 24-hour Polygon, especially last 2 days, my friends, Polygon is moving upward. But definitely after a short jump, my friends, they fell us down again now. So you can see just only in the last 24-hour chart, it's on the screen this time. You can see here after a good jump, they fell us down. You can see here the totally fails down. So this is what, my brother, can give you a profit at the end of month or not? This is selling time or buying time. Absolutely the warning is that, my brother. Exactly the warning is that to starting the short time investor, they're starting selling in this time, because they see, my brother, when they see the short fails, then absolutely they decide to this is selling time. But definitely, my brother, definitely they're completely in the wrong. Yeah, this is not a motivational speech, or someone tell me in a comment box to you motivate us. Absolutely no, my brother, I cannot motivate. I this is not a motivational speech videos. I just advise you, my brother. Otherwise you research personally. This is you, my friend. This is depend on you to you sell or hold, my brother, and you take a profit, or, my friend, you're lost. So this time you can see, my brother, Polygon as exactly very badly falls down. But remember, after a very bad fast, they also take a very good jump. So let's see, my brother, predicate this coin. But kindly, before I get the predicate this coin, kindly subscribe this channel before I get started video for more this type absolutely, my friends, prediction video. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel, and also like this video, my brother. If you can see this time, a Polygon is completely, my friends, moving fails down. You can see here, but definitely they are moving in one circulation. You can see here after a jump they fails down. You can see here they completely moving in this circulation. So it's mean, my brothers, to after a jump they fails down. So therefore I tell you, my brother, do I hope in upcoming times they take a very good jump. And I also show you, my friend, the latest update. This time you can see this chart is going to show you to the last time. You can see the last arrows is moving upward. So definitely at the current time, I hope, my friends, they are also moving upward. Let's check out the last 1 hour chart, and after that you understand, my friends, so they are moving upward. Yes, exactly, my brother. You can see here this time Polygon is moving upward. So this chart is completely show you to they moving upward in the future. So it's the future is going to be bright of Polygon. Currently you need to hold, and absolutely, my brother, if you hold, then absolutely you take a very good profit. Thanks for watching, all Polygon holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for more this type informative prediction videos.